Good morning, everyone. And today is Saturday, and the date is 25th February. So, in order to keep me in record, now the time is 12:26 p.m. So, sorry, it's showing AM, but it's PM. And we are going to Hubli, which is around 200 kilometers away from the home. And today Dikshit is going to buy the KTM 390 Adventure, so we are moving there. Today I wanted to try it with the 360 as well, and because every time looking at the same view, it's getting bored. Let's try it out and see how it happens. And it's already late. The delivery time is around 1 p.m. but it's already 12:30 almost, and Hulbli is around another 100 kilometers from here, which will take us approximately 1 hour. So better to move fast. See you in Hubli. Bye bye. Heat start ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ. So here we are in the KTM showroom, and it's already been 2 hours we came here, but vehicle is not yet ready. So they are still fixing the crash guards, and from that time they were like 10-15 minutes or 10 minutes 15 minutes, and it's already 3:30 now. We are actually hungry, so we'll go have lunch and come back. Maybe by that time they'll fix it, hopefully. And Mr. Abhishek has been hyped so much about some particular restaurant. Let's see how it goes. And summer has been started. It's feeling too much hot. ಇದ್ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಬಂಡಿ? So time is around 4 p.m. and we just had lunch in Nakoda Saji Colony, full on desi food. Actually didn't enjoy much, but it's not bad. It's good, but people enjoy here. We'll have fun.
Tiger, Vinny on the Dominar, Scram guy, you know him, he's Blackie.
Here's the guy with new bike and new helmet. Hey amma, kotta bandi, kotta helmet, huh? And service charge for adding guards. For those crash guards he has put a service charge, illegal service charge. And the showroom is very bekar, yaar. There is not even a celebration to get excited. They should have delivered it very happily. So here we are near Gadag, not even near. It's 24 kilometers from Gadag. Now we have come around 30 to 40 kilometers only in the last 1 hour. First 10 kilometers would be most probably there would be a city traffic, and after that, due to the Dikshit 390 Adventure is not even a break-even engine. To break even it should run over 1000 kilometers. There's a speed limit and we are following it, and the maximum speed we can go is 60 or 65. That's it at this time, where I feel cruise control would be better. And you see this concrete road or CC road, and which is very bad thing, I feel, particularly because in Thar roads your vehicle will be moving smoothly and you can run at high speeds. But in these concrete roads, your bike will be continuously shaking and bouncing. If you go at higher speeds, you won't be able to control as much as in the tar roads. Oh, MT-15. Even Yamaha is providing a helmet with the brand new bike, but not in case with the Triumph or KTM. Even Royal Enfield does provide that, and even Honda provides it. Even if you take Activa, it provides you a helmet, at least a low quality ISA standard helmet. Can you see a small scratch in the 360? That is caused during Rajasthan trip, I guess so. I'm not sure when it has happened. You can see a small dot from the 360 camera. But it's okay, it's only a lens cover. Oh, I can change the cover. So the reason for stopping here is due to that concrete road bounciness. The Domino number plate is fell off. You can understand how stiff the concrete roads will be. And bye bye. Yeah, कल मिलेंगे morning in your workshop. Coolant temperature, engine temperature. Okay, bye bye. Morning 10 o'clock water wash. Okay, bye.